Are you looking for the best car detailing products in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car detailing products that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Leather Honey Leather Cleaner. Leather Honey has been making this formula in the USA since 1968, and its reputation among car and furniture makers comes from a simple approach: a non-toxic, fragrance-free cleaner that lifts dirt, oil, and tough stains from leather without stripping or damaging it in the process. It's EPA Safer Choice certified, which matters if you're cleaning seats in a car you or your kids spend hours in every week, and it's formulated to work across all leather colors, including white, without discoloring or leaving blotches behind. Beyond car and truck seats, the same bottle covers faux leather, vinyl, handbags, shoes, and furniture upholstery, making it a genuinely multi-purpose product rather than a single-use detailing item. Application couldn't be simpler. Wipe it on with a lint-free cloth and let it dry. No scrubbing, no rinsing required, though a spot test on an inconspicuous area is recommended before treating a full seat. The one clear exception is suede, which this formula isn't designed for. With over 50 years of use behind it, this is a rare product in the detailing space with real, long-term proof behind its claims. In this video, I'll test it on genuinely stained leather seats and track how the color and texture hold up afterward. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel. This cleaning gel solves a problem no towel or vacuum nozzle handles well: the dust and grime packed into air vents, cup holders, console seams, and the tiny gaps around buttons and storage bins. You simply press the gel into the crack or vent, let it make contact, then pull it back out slowly, and the dust lifts away with it rather than getting pushed further in. It's made from a natural, lavender-scented compound, which makes it noticeably more pleasant to use than the chemical smell of most interior cleaners, and it's reusable across multiple sessions until it visibly darkens with collected dust. One clear rule to know before using it: don't rinse the gel with water, since that breaks down what makes it effective, and it should be kept in its jar between uses to stay pliable. Beyond car vents and consoles, it works equally well on keyboards, electronics, and other tight gaps around the house, though anything not water-resistant should be avoided. It's a small, inexpensive addition to a detailing kit that tackles the spots every other tool in this lineup skips. In this review, I'll test it across the trickiest vents and seams in a real car interior. At number 3, we have the Usanooks Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Good microfiber towels quietly make or break a detail, and Usanooks built this 12-pack around a grip root weave designed to grab and hold 8 to 10 times its weight in liquid dirt and grime, rather than just pushing it around the panel. At 2.5 millimeters thick and 300 GSM, these sit closer to commercial-grade towels than the thin, cheap microfiber that scratches, lints, or leaves swirl marks on paint and glass. That thickness and the overlock braided stitching are what the brand credits for the towels, rated 200 wash lifespan, roughly 3.27 years of regular use, which changes the math considerably versus replacing thin towels every few months. They're rated at 4 times more absorbent than cotton, which shows up most on interior glass and mirrors, where a mediocre towel leaves streaks, and this one is built to leave a swirl-free, spotless finish. Because they're reusable and don't shed fibers, they double as an all-purpose cloth for the garage, home, or office, not just the car. In this video, I'll test their real absorbency against a genuinely dirty interior and see how the finish looks on glass and painted trim after repeated use. At number 2, we have the Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. Faded, chalky black plastic trim is one of the most common ways a car starts looking neglected, and Cerakote's Trim Coat Kit is built specifically to reverse that without turning into another product you have to reapply every few weeks. Unlike a typical trim dressing that sits on top of the plastic and washes off, this is a genuine ceramic coating that cures directly to the surface, rated to protect and hold its restored look for over 200 washes. It also blocks UV rays, which are the actual cause of that faded gray look in the first place, not just dirt. The application process is refreshingly simple. Clean the trim, let it dry completely, then wipe it down with one of the 10 individually packaged, pre-moistened wipes included in the kit. No measuring, no greasy sprays, no pasty gel to spread around. A pair of gloves is included so you're not getting product on your hands during application. Because it's a cured ceramic coating rather than a dressing, the finish is meant to be durable and consistent rather than needing a fresh coat after every rainstorm. In this review, I'll test it on genuinely faded trim and track how the finish holds up over repeated washes. And finally at number 1, we have the Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Chemical Guys built this as a genuine one-bottle solution for interior detailing. A single spray that cleans and protects leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and glass without needing a different product for every surface in the cabin. It's formulated to lift dirt, dust, and body oils from dashboards, door panels, seats, trim, and even infotainment screens without fading or damaging the material underneath, which matters most on modern interiors, packed with sensitive touchscreens and soft-touch plastics. The application is genuinely as simple as spray and wipe, no rinsing, no extra buffing, which makes it just as useful for a 10-minute touch-up before a car meet as it is for a full interior detail. What stands out most is the finish. Rather than the greasy, over-glossy look some interior dressings leave behind, this settles into a factory-fresh, natural sheen that doesn't attract dust or leave the wheel and shifter feeling slippery. It also lays down a thin protective layer afterward, helping the interior resist fingerprints and everyday wear between details. This is a favorite among professional detailers for a reason, and in this video I'll put it to the test across leather, vinyl, and touchscreen surfaces to see how the finish and protection actually hold up.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.